So today I'm gonna give you a tutorial how to make the thumbnail like this. So I actually made a bag for the plastic. I'm gonna sell it $10 money for one plastic and a small $5 money for one plastic. First, let's check out the book.
Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel.
Nama ko YouTube nandun tayo pagbuot. Ang pagbuot. Ayun pagbuot. Papatun ako. Process. Namin.
I'm sorry.
Namin. Bam ka dun. Ano? Nag-release of the colors. And so I'm gonna put all of this there. Continue showing the now continue showing the small. So every day post every night posting a video. Now let's check this out. Continue to do this Kasan kuan ani punya kasan kuan ba?
Uy,
Nagtutulungan todo. Kaya tablang computer. Udah susunod mo sa set. Now let's flip over like this. Ipiko ba? Only Filipino can understand. There like this. And draw anything you want. So, bye-bye. I'm gonna go on this for a second. I'll give you back.